particularly hard.
Huh?
It's not particularly hard to do so. It's so thick.
I'm still kind of sad that villages don't generate in this world, so I can't level them when I'm making this.
I mean, I can make villages generate.
How?
Very easy, just modify level.dat.
Huh.
It's just it's literally what?
Wait, Tyler, what exactly are you trying to get everything to do?
What I'm trying to do, like, right now is wait for Bowen to finish.
You're gonna have to give me like 2 or 3 days.
Yeah, because I can't really do anything like this,
Because your server's killing itself.
pretty much. Or are you, like, referring to something else, Jace?
No, I'm just pretty much just
Just beyond the golden arches.
that's a good one. It's one of the best.
True. Oh, god damn it.
What?
Well, Matthew's elevator doesn't work.
Why?
I don't know. Probably because of the lag, if I had to guess.
How much lag?
You're gonna play with us, Jason?
What would I have to load in exactly to do that? Would I have to download a lot of stuff?
You'd only have to download 2 custom-built mods and Forge, and that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Well, send me
And
whatever
if
I
you-
have to download and I'll do it.
Those are the 2 mods, and
I like how I click once and it just keeps going until it hits bedrock.
yeah, it just complies. Yeah, just get rid of that. We don't want to go through AdFoc. And then that's the installer for Forge. You have the game installed, right?
Jason.
What?
You have Minecraft, right?
Yes. Java, right? That's because that's what I got.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Do you have 1.15 already downloaded?
I think so.
Jason, we don't mess with that bedrock stuff. We don't want to touch it with a 15-foot pole.
Alright. Load my Minecraft. Okay. Are you guys sending me what I gotta download?
I sent them to you in private.
Alright.
It includes 2 mods and a installer for Forge, which that's the mod loader.
Sending to private, so I gotta go down to there. Alright.
Yeah.
Sorry. I should probably do that, so I'm not just sitting doing nothing.
Well, Tyler, I'm gonna stop this for now.
Oh.
What? That I'm stopping the complete attack on the server.
Yes. Because, oh boy. Chunks will now probably load slightly faster. Keyword, slightly.
So then I need this Forge installer.
Oh, hell yeah, Tyler.
We would, yeah.
You like my favorite pack?
Alright, so Bowman and Tyler, I think my friend, his name is Cal. He's gonna join the call. And just what the hell is going on?
You like Project Lumia, Tyler?
Yes.
What is this? I want to know.
What is which thing?
On whose screen was like mirroring like a whole lot.
Or are you referring to what's happening with Bowen?
I think so.
This is like the 4th looping of Shrek.
Lovely.
Damn it. Thing just
Hey Cal.
pick up this contact. Hello. I can grab it.
What?
What? Trying to watch Shrek, Tyler.
I can tell it's going so well.
Hey Hey man, the audio's gonna be severely desynced, so just gotta think about the audio.
Tyler, won't let me open Jar. Or it won't let me open the Forge to download it.
I sent you like the link to the jar installer. Is it like not opening?
Hold on, let me go back and check that.
It's
Let's
pretty
hit the
good.
Outbox and stop
Yeah.
that.
Jason
Or
might.
yeah, scavenger.
Wait, hold on.
Oh damn, you guys have to go hospital. You're gonna get screwed. No offense. You have a
Wait,
gun?
so what, Jace?
You have anything? Must be nice.
So I'm trying. So is that the Outbox 10 or stopgap 11?
Well, you run the forge installer dot jar or whatever. Forge 1.15.2 dash 31.2.0 dash installer dot jar.
Right in here.
I heard someone.
That's right, Alice.
1.15 rendering broke Project Lumia.
Wonder why.
Reflections are broken.
Someone's here. Someone's here. Someone's here. You have a gun. I don't.
Okay, so what would I do? Open?
Yeah.
Focus armor.
It just makes me download another one.
Down them.
Do you have Java installed?
I don't think so.
This is some gun. Thank you.
Oh wait, are you like referring to it's making you download another jar file?
It's making me download another one.
Oh.
Did you?
You actually run the jar file by double clicking it once it's downloaded.
There was only 3.
I double click on it and it just here. Tyler, let me share my screen with you.
That's what she said.
Okay.
What's this dude doing? He's doing an RPG.
So I go here and I do this and it just
Oh yeah, you don't have Java installed.
please run me through.
Oh hey man.
You're gonna send me a link.
Oh shh.
Yeah.
Guess who I am? Hey, where'd you get shot from?
Cal, what are you playing?
Yeah, there you go. Where did you get shot from? Did you get shot from the stairs?
Cal, what are you playing?
Inspired by. You know. Here, is this better? It's
That's
closer to my
the installer for Java. Right from Oracle. Wow.
What's that?
What's wrong?
Well,
Do I have any... Oh, okay. I'll just mute it back. What the hell is that? Are you spectating?
here I'll like send you a direct download.
Alright.
Because of course Oracle wants to put a sign-in wall on everything. For like no reason.
Oh, I'm gonna need to switch out my battery.
Tyler, you were just so enthusiastic, you're like straight from Oracle. Fuck.
Wait, what?
You were like straight from Oracle, and then it's like it popped up with the it's not working sign. And you're like, shit.
Yeah. Firefox. I wish getting you the installer for Java wasn't such a janky process, but I don't think you want to like install a whatever the hell it's called, or not install, but create an account for Oracle.
You have to create an account for Oracle to download Java now.
Yeah.
Yes, for Java, for earlier versions of Java, like Java 8,
Why are you giving him an earlier version of Java? I just downloaded the regular.
because I'm giving him Java 8. That's what Minecraft is currently using.
I know.
Hell yeah,
but
that counts.
doesn't it just work with the one you download? 'Cause it's running?
Not bossy.
Well, not for Java 8. Well, actually, I think I'm downloading the JDK. Maybe. Let's see. Okay, actually, go here. That's for not JDK.
So don't download that one.
Matt back.
Well, the link I sent you didn't work, so just download the one I just sent.
Okay.
Shoot, I'm gonna have
Green
to
start. It's nice, big, clickbaity looking button, but yeah.
It really does look like that.
Not one that I want.
Okay, so now do I run that?
Yeah, you just click it, and Windows should run it. Fingers crossed.
Don't know, multiple.
Alright. Sure, I guess I'll do all this stuff.
Install. Yeah.
What are they doing in this helicopter, by the way? These dudes, I think, are a little slow with the helicopter. Though. I don't know what they're doing.
Java successfully installed. So now can I run all those other things?
Yes. Click the
Right.
refresh button at like the folder path,
Up here, stupid.
like where it said, yeah. There you go.
There's a laser button.
The hell.
Did they just buy someone back? That's
If you double click, then what happens? The fuck?
yeah. Then we can grab that third one.
Can you press the Windows key and type PowerShell
It doesn't mean I want it.
and press enter? If you type Java space dash version, what happens?
I'm not
Space
gonna die anyway.
dash version. Enter. Okay, so it's installed. Maybe, okay, close this. Go back to your downloads folder. Right click on the installer.
This?
Yeah, open file location. It's like right at the very bottom above properties. Right click on the file again. Properties. Details. I know, change. Where it says opens with. Open apps or more apps. Scroll down. Look for another app. Java.
Wow, that is, I'm about to buy you back too.
Go into that. Yeah, open. And then that one,
Yeah, I'm completely ready for this. Skirt.
the JRE folder. Go into that one. Bin. And then select Java W.
Yeah, that was
Open. And then just click apply and now try to run it. If you double click on the installer.
Got a UAV if we need it. Ah, just needs that control tower.
Go back to where the jar file was. Was it in to be printed that's on the side under quick access? Yeah. So double click on the installer.
Yeah, we do.
There we go. Hopefully it'll actually work now.
Alright, give me a minute. We're back.
Did anything show up?
Wait a minute, hold on.
I don't know what is that move.
That was awkward. Shut phone, shut.
Oh, you.
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to the phone.
Alright, I'm back.
Okay. Did anything show up? Yeah, if I opened a box like that and saw that, I would just close it and walk away. No reason to interrupt, you know. It's doing its thing, just leave it alone. No need to interrupt it with whatever the hell it's doing.
Tyler,
Yeah.
you know that pink, octopus in Finding Nemo, that little one?
Yeah.
Like that one that says, "You guys made me ink."
Mm-hmm.
So you know how he says, "This is my tentacle. This is my See, this tentacle is actually shorter than all my other tentacles, but you can't really tell."
Mm-hmm.
an octopus as one of their tentacles is actually their penis, and it's structured slightly differently from the rest of their tentacles.
Okay then.
I just found that on Reddit. That little octopus was showing off his dick.
No bueno.
I know I've said I'm back before, but I'm actually back this time. So yeah.
That's good. But when you double click the installer, did anything show up like a window?
Wait.
Okay.
It doesn't do anything.
Okay, can you go to properties? I think I messed up. Go to change. I'm gonna have to go to more apps. We're gonna have to do that again. So yeah, Java, and then instead do Java instead of the other one.
This one?
Yes.
Apply.
Now it should hopefully. Wow.
It opens for like half a second.
Can you hold shift and right click on this folder? Like inside of this folder?
Wait, where exactly am I clicking?
Like anywhere underneath like the items in the folder. Like you hold shift while right clicking. Open PowerShell. And then bring that over.
Alright, I'm actually going to show you my other screen real quick because it's change windows. Scroll down, do that one. Oh, wait, no, screen 2. Actually, screen 1. Whack this,
alright. So type Java or here. We'll give you a command to run.
Want me to copy and paste that in there?
Yeah.
Alright.
I think you have to like right click it though when you're gonna paste it in. Like instead of Control V, you have to right click on the window. I'm not sure. But
You sent me something to say me to copy and paste it in there?
yeah.
That one I wanted. So thank you. Okay. What I wanted was, you know, some of this. I wanted this.
Oh,
Fuck.
do Control C on Discord. Like select that and Control C and then Control V it in.
Yeah, I was trying not to do that.
Oh. Oh boy. Oh wait.
What are you having Jason do?
I'm trying to figure out why the installer isn't working. So he has to actually run the jar file command because that'll actually print out what's going on. try it with that second command, or I edited the command.
Edit it. What do you want me to edit it to say?
Basically, just after the .0, yeah, put dash installer.
Do I do it here?
No, before the dot.
Oh, before the dot. That's before the dot. Alright. Dash.
Tyler,
Yeah,
a Pennsylvania woman was arrested for
And
keeping
enter.
her dead grandmother's body in a freezer for 15 years to get Social Security.
Really?
what?
Fucking whack.
Pennsylvania, everyone.
I still think
Give
Florida's
back the
crazier.
hands. But press enter.
I think Florida's crazier still.
True. Florida is a pretty big shit show.
Someone got arrested in Florida for training an alligator to ride a four-wheeler.
But that's like worthy of it, though. That's like worthy of the arrest. Do you want me to
Yeah.
enter this, Tyler, or not?
Yeah, press enter.
Okay.
Wow. Cool. Just click OK.
So I'm installing client, not server
Yeah.
extract. Okay.
That was a bit fucky, not gonna lie.
I like what it's doing now. It's doing a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it's doing a bunch of like one-time changes to the client.
Interesting.
And then there we go. So, do you know how to install mods?
I know how to install them. I don't know how to make them work. If that's what you're asking.
You don't install the mods, you just drag them to a folder.
Yeah, you drag that. Like, do you know where your Minecraft folder is? Like, where
Should
dot
be.
Minecraft.
Should be in my. Oh shit, that's still over here. Drag it. Ah. It's in my this, and then it's in my sus games. Or is that wrong?
Oh, it's not there.
No, it's not there.
Go to your C
Yeah.
drive. Users. Then your username.
Can I change that?
Oh,
I don't like that.
Click view.
I'll do it later.
Go to view.
Yeah, click view.
Oh,
At the like
stupid.
top, there's 4 little tabs at the top of the window. Yeah, go to view.
Yep, I'm stupid. Fuck, there it is. Fine.
Do it. Hidden items. Tick the checkbox called hidden items.
Items.
Go to app
Okay.
data.
There you go. Now you can go to app data.
Ape
As
data.
well.
Roaming.
Yep.
.minecraft.
Now create a folder called mods.
No windows. Fuck.
Yeah, just rename new folder.
Get rid of the capital M and make it lowercase.
Okay, does that do something not so good?
Yeah, it freaks out just a tad bit.
Oh, okay. Did you find that out the hard way or the easy way?
Well, it always installs with the lowercase m, but Forge and Minecraft in general is a bit iffy with uppercase, so I would just make it lowercase m. Yeah, press enter.
Entered.
Now, drag those 2 other jar files I gave you into that mods folder.
Alright, give me a second.
Okay.
Alright, that should be a little better.
Also, I'll be right back.
Hi. You're good.
Did you drag the mods that he sent you into the plus folder?
No, I gotta do it.
What?
No, I gotta do it. Shit, that one. Just don't fuck. You submitted in private, right? No, you fucking dead. The fuck is happening? Wait, the mods he sent me? Oh, the outfox and the stopgap?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I just don't download those. I just drag them into my mods?
No, you need to download them
Oh, okay.
and then drag them in, unless you've already downloaded them.
I've downloaded them, so that just means that I need to open another
They're in your
files
downloads folder.
tab. Yeah, I know.
Just downloads right beneath desktop, left hand. There you go.
And I need to drag. It's in here.
Did you move them?
No, here they are.
Yeah, there you go. Stopgap and outfox. Now there's. Oh, stopgap. There you go.
Anything else?
Oh, you should be able to close it and then.
Can I delete these other ones that I don't need anymore?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, fuck. You can't delete that one. Oh, this one should. I just can't delete, but I kind of just want to put that.
Oh, you can't delete it because it's open. Close it. It's the job on the thing.
Oh,
On the
this.
taskbar. Yeah, that. You have to close that, then you can delete it. You have to close that first. That one.
Oh. Cool.
Now you can delete it.
Now I can? I'm gonna delete. So I only have my. Great, so now can I run Minecraft and that exists inside of it as a single unit?
I'm back.
Now you should just be able to watch the game.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't know if this makes me sound better.
What's the lit part? Well, you get annoyed at everything, so. I never said otherwise. Again, the renderer, like, a lot of the rendering stuff had to be updated because they started using LWJGL3, which doesn't support, like, older versions of OpenGL, like the one that came out in 2009, or whatever was used back then. I don't know.
Oh, there's just sunlight leaking into the subway station. This is underground.
That happened anyway.
No.
I don't know, I remember a lot of resource pack fucking doing shit like that.
Yeah, Tyler, how do you like ray tracing shaders in the subway?
Dark as fuck.
I heard of one during thunder, coming from the tunnel. I was afraid. Like, when the hurricane come down the train.
No, you gotta go down one of the, on one of the trains, and then you gotta end up at Kisaragi Station. I don't know how it's pronounced. It's a great Japanese urban legend.
Oh, great. Would you look at that? Walls comes with 5 light.
Oh, hell yeah, the water is fucking bright.
The water.
We're literally in nuclear reactor, like, right now. That's cool. Yeah, I got pumped down in the subway station.
Well, I know nothing uses light anymore, the ray tracing shaders.
Oh. Hopefully he actually, supports it. And whatever. Either that or it's an issue with Optifine.
I'm getting on Tyler. Look.
Fuck yeah.
Now that just looks like something like that.
Screenshot.
I was trying to walk into the light.
Screenshot, yes. Yes, go to your death.
So what exactly are the goals of the world you guys are in?
Anything you want. Build, destroy, build. As long as it's not your own spawn. You touch anyone else's spawn, they will raid you. So they will raid you in real life.
Which is an oversimplification. Like, it's basically a building world. Bowen is building a city in his, area. We call them cities, even though you don't have to build a city. You could literally just build, I don't know, a fucking rock canyon, and we'll still consider that a city.
I'm considering Lyme more of a country nowadays,
It's a city-state.
but more like a
Venice.
puppet nation at this point.
It's like Venice. Literally a fucking nation, all concentrated in one city.
No, it's not. You're gonna just set it up one city.
Half.
I said
Half
more.
was being distracted by, the echo that's or the repeating of audio in the background.
I I said my city's more or less like a public state. Or public.
You're not wrong there.
Was there or is there currently a audio repeat
Yeah, there is.
right now?
Well, like it occurs several seconds after I like say something, although I'm not hearing it now, so it must be fixed.
I know what it is. I'm streaming to my YouTube, so if you say something, it'll repeat.
Say something, although I'm not hearing it now, so it must be fixed.
I know what it is.
Yeah, I could hear it there.
Alright, so I'm opening this Minecraft launcher. So I'm gonna be playing Forge, right?
I would look at this. I hope nothing produces light anymore.
Which again, it could be an issue with Optifine, because Optifine is not fully released yet.
For 1.15.
Yeah. This is in pre-release stages.
I love 1.16.
No, I mean, well, no, I'm talking about like Optifine for 1.15 is not out yet.
I know, I thought 1.16 was still released, but 1.15 has already been released.
Well, why would Optifine try to update to 1.16? It's not even out yet.
Didn't they do that in 1.13?
No clue. Actually, yeah, I think they did.
Never mind, there's only one version of Optifine in 1.13.
Do I need said server name?
Yes. This is the server IP. I might have to add you to the whitelist.
Allow access, Jason. Unless you allow access,
I sent you the server address in private.
So, the server address. You just sent me the server address.
How's the name? You can put anything in the name.
Oh, I can? Hey. So, do I need to edit my controls to be able to sprint?
The sprint button by default is control.
I like mine at R.
Like all of my keybinds are at default.
How do you make it do when you double click A or something?
Like if you, I mean, you might have to change your move forward button to K for that.
Why?
Okay.
Because I mean, like with moving forward, like moving forward is like to sprint with W key. You just double tap it.
Jason,
Like that'll get you to sprint, but
Jason, if it's red, it'll still accept it, you know? It just complains to you on that menu, so if it's red, it doesn't matter.
It's just I will sprint everywhere.
which you know works pretty well.
How do you go so fast?
My speed's broken. I like that.
Wait, your speed is broken?
he has fly speed. It's like a property on the player. His is like broken at a higher value because we ported from an older version,
Yeah, so
which had like commands that allow you to modify it.
yeah, a lot of things in the world don't look right. Jason, this is B shit over here. Ignore this road. This road's bad. It's any view. It's the older version.
This road we're flying over?
Yes, now this is the newer version of the road standard.
What is big difference? The rails and the center divider.
Bigger, badder, sexier, girthier, longer.
And
Moister.
Well, this is my city currently. All the buildings that were floating on the ground, but they're redoing the roads that are coming.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, the bridge is not yet. Basically, that's what it's currently.
Oh, it's okay.
Why don't we just finish on it? Jason, you like all this rain?
It's fucking fantastic.
I did all this myself. Oh no, fucking a mushroom get all the way at the top of my mouth.
your guess is as good as mine.
Stay on there a bit, maybe not like, god damn it.
I mean, water is
And you fly like 3 times faster than I do. It's fucking hilarious.
You like my lake?
Wait, this is the lake?
No, this is not the lake, other lake, actual lake over there. This is my mountain lake. Yeah.
Oh my god, this is so cool. I want to go inside. Alright, hold on. I gotta go back into the options. Do control is, R seems pretty good, I guess. The only problem is, what if I need to,
R is not bound to anything.
No, I changed it to,
You don't.
Oh, I don't have to, oh, that's magical.
Jason, you like what?
Although I keep mine on control because it's easy to just rest your hand there by default.
It hurts my pinky if I do it.
Oh no, like the left part of my palm, I just like hold that down on control and then I can move my fingers around the other keys. So that way, like, it can always be pressed unless like you don't want it to, because then you can move your hand up a bit. So it sort of gives a little better of a whatever the hell.
Jason, you like the cabin?
I love the cabin. It's great. Why don't you have any exits over here? At the glass wall. Bitch, get back here.
Tokyo Drift.
We should convince Mason or something to get on.
Mason's a faggot who'll never join the game, and
Hey,
I don't know what.
you should call him. Make him get on. Call that man and make him do it.
Tokyo Drift. Well, we can't go over to Dam, unfortunately, because it's isolated.
Damn, we can't go over to Dam.
So we can just fly over it.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
great.
the other side's all water.
Awesome.
Down here, it's all water. Yeah. I like how
Yeah, because like it's such a small elevation change, but it's enough to make it stop freezing.
Oh, actually, I need to show Grabby's shack. Follow me.
Where are you?
Hell yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there you are. I see you. Okay.
Oh, Tyler, Grabby's shack is completely broken.
From
No.
what?
Grabby Shack should mostly still be there, just like the chains on
Is
the
Grabby
wall aren't
Shack-
gonna be there anymore.
And Tyler, the entire wall of his projector is broken. All of his, okay, now Jason,
Yes.
welcome to the Mr. Grabby. Welcome back to the house.
What did you do?
I went in a hole by the bed.
Was that there the whole time?
No, I clicked the lever.
I didn't think it was there the whole time.
Hidden underneath the chest.
Oh, you sly fuckers.
Oh,
And shit. Oh, the buttons are there. I'm stupid.
welcome to
Just
Mr.
an idiot.
Grabby.
Mr. Grabby? Wait.
Yep. He is a notorious child of abductor and rape, where he keeps all of his assets down here. He has a map
I'm-
of everyone's
I need to ask you something. Like a sincere question. Do you need help? Do you want like social guidance?
What?
In your own head, you came up with a mastermind, a child abductor. In your own head, that is just has this whole underground layer that you took the time out of your own precious day to go and make.
But,
I mean, he used a vestige from Building 3, because this
Yeah.
is Building 4.
Mr. Grabby didn't actually exist in this world so recently. Me and Tyler decided to port him here. But Mr. Grabby was actually created by Matthew in the last world. Only existed in his area. But me and Tyler.
Yeah. He had a shack that had an underground area that was smaller than this, but still had 2 cells, a bed, a chest called Tools of the Trade that had, for example, an end rod in it. I'm sure you can guess what that was for.
Welcome to Aspect Containment.
Jesus Christ. What and why?
Because we wanted to turn Mr. Grabby into someone with a much darker being.
Okay, I've never heard of Mr. Grabby, so now I might be uncultured, but please explain Mr. Grabby Grab.
Tyler wasn't Mr. Grabby based off of his own creating.
No,
His name.
Mr. Real Grabby Grabby.
it was just like some weird joke Matthew decided to make. I think you're confusing this with you calling O'Grady O'Grabby.
Mr. Grabby was, yeah, I call him Mr. O'Grady Grabby every once in a while, but come on, Tyler.
Mr. Grabby was made when we were in middle school, not high school, so we would not have been able to.
Grabby was literally Tyler. Grabby was literally a school.
What?
Matthew made Grabby a school teacher in Building 3.
Yeah.
He also had a Trump transit pussy forever.
Which was always missing, with a sign that said, if missing, in use.
Yeah.
2016 political commentary. Oh boy, that would probably still kill some people inside.
Aged like milk.
Poorly.
Tyler, just noticed that these are all named Leash.
Yeah.
By the way, is this door broken?
No clue. The command block should still work.
How do you relog it?
I think you just press one of the, you press one of the random ones. Either that or there's a reset button, but I don't know which.
Jason, come over here.
Okay, can you... Okay. I'm gonna go check. Let's see. Wow, I like how the one fucking button you pressed was... Oh wait, no, you pressed green. Okay, can you press the reset button, which is, like, I think on the wall next to, yeah. Did anything fucking happen? No.
I think Krabby's Paradise is falling apart because of the update.
Oh, that'd be why.
Why?
And I have to restart the server in order to fix it.
Restart it then.
I forgot to enable command blocks inside of the server config, so that's fun.
Restart server then we must have command block. That would be why Matthew's elevator wasn't working.
Just a bit. Yeah, dismiss that. Literally minimize everything. No, don't keep, I don't care. Enable command block? Sure.
I like how 1.12 got its last offline update on April 12th, 2019. And 1.13 got its last offline update on October 25th, 2018.
Yeah, no one cares about 1.13, like... It's just kind of one of those things, you know? Sorry to stop the server out of nowhere, but gotta restart it real quick. I also have to fix the building for advancements because I guess at some place in it I used a invalid data tag and now it's yelling at me because it's not allowed. So you can rejoin now. Redstone block. Well, oh, well, looks like the test for block got removed. So the buttons won't even work. I have to figure out how I fix that. Okay, yeah, that's actually not going to be a hard thing to do. Yes.
Seeing what website you're from.
Just a bit. The button that's on the wall with the jukebox on it. Yeah.
Seen of that black man got murdered by police.
Mm-hmm.
You know, they're the black community have like outraged their big tear gas for it.
Yeah.
Wow, I had to restart my game.
So what?
Apparently, a bunch of white people know what it's talking about too. And now the city of Minneapolis doesn't have a police station anymore.
What?
The protest got extremely violent. They burned cop cars. They smashed the windows of almost every police car in Minneapolis, and they threw Molotov cocktails at the police headquarters.
Oh boy.
So Minneapolis may casually not have a place for it. Yeah,
It worked. So that's one out of however many.
yeah, Tyler, they literally broke into the police headquarters, and there were people bashing in every single window of every police car with skateboards and hammers.
Yeah, that's not okay.
I mean, I think it's more kind of deserved because they just let the guy off the
I mean, sure, but at the same time, that was one officer that did that.
But the officer didn't get arrested. He literally got let off for warning.
Again, that's up to the discretion of the arresting officer, decently sure at least.
He literally killed him. The guy he was supposed to be arrested. They had the wrong guy. The black guy. Oh, hell yeah, Tyler.
Oh yeah, because he got killed because he got suffocated.
Yeah. Oh, hell yeah, Tyler.
Yeah.
Look at this. In the protest, these are the video people being a target in Minneapolis. Look at all those teams.
Oh boy.
Minneapolis is like right now. Like Tyler. Here's a video of the protests. Look at that. Look at that police car. Oh yeah, here's them breaking into a police station and bashing those. Okay, that guy just threw a chair. Now watch this. Now watch the guy on the skateboard. Watch this.
Yeah, there's gonna be some arrests, just saying.
Some.
Yeah, because this is a violent protest, not like a fucking peaceful protest, which are legal.
Oh my god, they lit an auto zone on fire.
An auto zone? What the fuck?
Fucking AutoZone, dude. Fucking AutoZone.
Oh, that's what an auto zone is.
Wait, did you really not know what an AutoZone was, bro?
I've only seen the logo.
Really, Tyler.
Otherwise, yeah, I've never been inside of the one that's like near the movie theater.
Minneapolis has just kind of gone casual and full revolution on it.
I wouldn't say it's that per se.
Not revolution, they've more like a plus not full on calling police. See, Tyler, that's the guy that that's the black guy that died. See how he's just sitting there calmly. He's not resisting arrest or anything. Well, that police officer on the other side of his car slammed into the concrete head first. Puts the neck number keeps him by putting his knee on his jugular and putting all his body weight on his neck.
Why? What the hell happened?
But that's how it was, protests breaking out in LA because of it. Here's one.
Yeah, you know,
Other side of the country. Oh, there goes the window.
if I was a police car, I would do more than just like casually run over. I would go full on, like, right through. If you're blocking my goddamn...
Oh, there goes that car's window.
Like, look, you're destroying the car. You're a fucking dumbass for destroying the goddamn car. What the hell?
I don't know where the video is. There's a video from Minneapolis where a massive literally flipped the police car and then light its gas tank on fire.
Like, are you freaking serious right now, bro?
What?
Are you serious?
Yes, Minneapolis is gone full of shit.
Fucking A game. Fucking boo gang. Boo gang.
Yeah. It's just basically on full shit.
Seems like it. That's okay.
Armed citizen guards.
Shit! Don't want to do that again.
National Guards were requested by the city.
Okay.
Second night of violent protests.
I like this. I want to save this image. The guy who face swapped with the duck.
What thing?
The picture that Owen sent out. It has a big giant duck.
I mean, that's just a wholesome face swap.
Yes.
Tyler, keep
Very much.
National Guard support requested by city. Second night of violent protests in Minneapolis. Mayor calls for officers' arrest. Violence on night 2. Minneapolis Park Police released body cam footage of arrest. University administrators would advise the police. University of Minnesota no longer use Minneapolis Police Department at football games.
Wow.
Then mass protests erupted in Minneapolis and LA after death of George Floyd.
George Floyd. Who the fuck? Be George Floyd. I probably just triggered a fuck ton of people. Fuck.
It's pretty intense for one death.
The dollars doesn't have to pay for a while.
mean, they
that's
probably
the
got
only
some
ri-
good
That's the
stuff.
only reason why you're gonna justify it.
Not the only reason.
Let's be real here, it's the only reason.
I agree with the protest regardless because violence everywhere. I don't like police because of it.
I mean, I don't like police because they fucking invaded my home.
I don't like police because if you walk outside your house, probably you're going to get shot. I'll let you hear that good story.
Yes, you literally told us what happened. By the way, it works again.
You really don't like the word code.
No, I don't like the word coded. I don't like when people like mispronounce it like that or use the wrong word. Cause that just sounds dumb to me. I coded something. Like when I hear that, I just I don't know how to describe it. I
You
don't
don't
know how
like
to
it.
describe what it, like how it sounds or whatever.
You don't like it.
What?
You don't like it.
Yeah. There we go. Both work now. The lights now work as well, Vaughn.
I need to clear the M file for the box building a little bit.
Wait, so you can. Oh. Well. Why would you do so?
That's why I wanted to shoot
What?
Well, I want to go illegally expand my border, so I'll probably...
Excuse me?
I didn't say anything, just state communication. I'm going to go do some good time in my city. Yeah.
Very nice. Love it. He doesn't understand.
I mean, it was gonna happen. Oh,
What are you doing?
I
Nigga!
mean, it's a mushroom block. What?
Nigga, what are you doing?
I'm gonna give you a city, but I gotta like get you, like I gotta show you what colors are available, so I'm placing these down just to like, so that way I can like eliminate all the ones that aren't there. And then you can pick which color you want for your border.
Alright.
So those aren't available. Blue. Isn't light blue Masons?
I don't know. Whatever it is,
I don't know. Something is. I know that for sure.
It does. Orange is Xavier, right?
Yeah,
White is Matthew.
What about Wyatt? What is Wyatt?
I think he's purple.
Oh, yeah, he's purple.
Real quick, I'm gonna go check.
I'm pretty sure Wyatt's purple. That's like his favorite color, bro.
Well, yeah, but I don't know if he picked it. I'm decently sure if it is his favorite color, then yeah, I'm decently sure. But
Wyatt's favorite color?
Purple.
Purple.
Purple is his favorite color.
Like a lot. Honestly, yeah, that's actually no, this one. Why I love purple so much.
Because he won't tell you what it's his favorite color.
yeah, I know, but I use that point because it's like opposite of Matthew City along that highway. Purple. One is magenta and one is purple.
Walk there. This looks clear.
Well, that one is brown.
Yeah, it's blending into the ground, but it's blonde there. I like this one.
Well, so there was Wyatt.
Oh, what about Phoenix?
I already eliminated dark blue.
Okay, I guess we got everyone.
No, not yet. Let's get out the warp file. From building 4, 1.12, nucleus, general. Do an edit, sure.
Erase Mason's existence on this world.
What?
I'm gonna slowly erase Mason's existence on this world.
Don't.
Okay.
Light blue was taken. So these are the colors that are available. Which one do you choose? Jason,
Yep, I'm here.
which color do you choose?
I choose. You know what really defines my character?
What?
This nice pink hair.
You want pink?
You
Yeah.
choose pink.
Oh yeah, pink.
Alright.
Wait, so what are you doing with this color information?
That's your border.
Yeah, this is gonna be your city's border color.
Oh no. Okay, I need to relearn commands because I haven't done PC Minecraft in a long time. Is TP capital? If you TP...
TV space and game tablet seeking.
Shit, press the wrong button. But, oh, shit. You're not even on. There you go. Now you should, see all the commands. Wait, you should be able to run all the...
Don't type out your own name.
No?
Otherwise you're going to teleport people.
Oh shit.
No, you can do TP, your username, and then someone else's username to teleport yourself to someone else.
That's what I was doing.
Like, I didn't know you could include your own username, because I've always had errors with that.
Well, that was because we were using Nucleus. I don't like Nucleus, but it was the only solution that was available. We don't have Nucleus because it's a sponge thing, and sponge doesn't exist. But, Forge. We're using Vanilla Forge, which is a bit like...
Why don't we
Wow. Wait, what about us using sponge?
Why were we using Spark in the first place?
Okay, how do I do this command thing? I'm very still confused because I'm not good at coding. I tried coding, wasn't very good at it, so I'm trying to get good.
Basically, see the command I sent, just run that.
Oh, okay.
That.
And also, like, now they have highlights, so it'll, like, tell you what commands are available and all that. You just press /, you can look at all the commands and learn some of the syntax.
Sick. So okay, how do I... Because that's... / is the command, right?
Yeah, don't put a dot in front of it.
Oh, was that so you could send it? I'm
Yeah.
stupid.
Basically, it was an escape character, but it's fine.
Yeah, that's pretty sick. That's awesome.
Yeah, this is my city.
That's pretty cool.
There's like one building in a mountain range.
It's pretty cool, I know.
I built basically all of that.
Shit.
I would build stuff, but I feel bad building my own stuff because it's bad.
And I go around doing an avoid one. Okay, Tyler, the corners have to be exactly square, or you should get pissy if I make the staircase.
Get busy,
I
baby.
mean, you can make it a staircase, but I would very much prefer you don't.
Okay.
What are these two orbs here? Half orbs on the ground.
They're supposed to be coolant or power plant.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, that's literally the power facility for,
These are all like power generators and backups and...
those down there are supposed to be the generators.
Ah.
It's supposed to be harnessing the power of reality itself, or like a Terran reality, because I'm using,
You're getting into like
ways.
the hardcore science of like all of this, and it's like,
Why?
why?
We get the hardcore science about this general time in this world.
Yeah, basically. I mean, it's supposed to be super futuristic technology harnessing something that's like extremely dangerous, but if used correctly can be beneficial. That's sort of the idea. It's the decoration blocks I used to represent that were end gateways. So it looks like you're staring into infinity when you look into it. But that's just me. assigning lore to it, you know?
I guess.
Let's see. How is... Okay, that is my border still. 5,000, 3,000.
Hey. What are you doing?
What? Okay, follow me on here.
Yes, I will. Follow up on there.
Yeah, fox.
Oh shit. It looks like a hyena. Looks like a hyena. What was that?
Shut phone.
By the way, did your server just crash?
I think it did.
Tyler,
Yeah.
I just right-clicked on a fox and clicked rabbit, and your server instantly said fox.
Jay's got the stack exception, so he's the best off.
God damn it. God damn it, Jason, even the best error report.
Task failed successfully.
Oh boy, no such method error. That's fucking kill me.
Okay,
You know what?
I'm gonna try this on a single-player world.
We're just not going to focus on this right now.
Don't quit the game, dude. Restart the server, Tyler.
Yeah, what do you think we're gonna do?
Cut the game, but
Looks like what it's trying to do is it's trying to wait for the watchdog to shut it down. Which is probably what's happening. I cannot do anything to the server right now.
Oh no.
What? Well, no. I mean, the watchdog will probably jerk off in just a second, and
Okay,
then
Tyler, you see my screen?
it'll be good, but... Yes.
Watch. Oh wow. Wait, what happened to your server back? Because it instantly crashed as soon as I did that.
It's a non-existent method error. So it's probably a client-side method that exists on the server. I will have to find a fix for that.
I'm gonna try it again on your server to make sure it's actually that.
They may look cute, but they are dumb. Just saying. They don't have as much AI as they do in the Outfox mod, like the initial one.
Yeah, Tyler, I know we're kind of retarded.
keep going. Whoa.
All of our areas have you can name your third one.
She.
I just have the districts in mind.
Liddy Spaghetti.
After you call the DVRT.
I swear to God, if I have to restart the server,
What's gonna happen if you have to restart the server?
well, like, it just means I'm gonna have to shut it off remotely and then go into the other room and turn it back on.
It means you have to basically unplug it and plug it back in.
Well, no, what it
Really?
means is I have to get up out of my chair.
Yeah.
Fuck. That's the worst part.
And you have to get up out of his chair and walk 25 feet the opposite way from this room.
Okay, no, it's set up on the correct port, so I don't have to get up. I get to sit here like a fat ass.
Nice.
Oh no, yeah, Tyler. See this world I generated? You spawn on an island, okay? And right next to the island is ice plates, next to ice spikes.
Seed.
So,
Yeah, do/seed.
the tar checks are bad.
Let's do /seed. All you have to do is just do /seed, and then you can copy the text. Like, they added a new feature.
Tyler, I'm gonna have to consult my lawyer for this. I'll get back to you in 7 to 10 business days. Once I contact my lawyer.
Hover over. Yeah, you can click to copy it to your clipboard, and then you can paste it in chat.
Yeah, Tyler, I'll just get back to you. Once my lawyer can contact you again.
Boom, you might even be able to get a golden apple immediately. Also, you can rejoin now, I think.
No golden apple.
Man, why do you gotta dupe us like that? You see, I agree with that.
You agree? No, you like that. You agree with that over there?
That sound, I agree.
I'm pretty big on Spice Oil.
Oh, I'm so glad that turned into a thing.
So the other server works again?
Yes.
Oh, my God, it's weird. Oh my God, Tyler, look, I tamed it.
Only took the server restarting.
Nice.
I got a pause, so all that matters. Oh, you're going to
Where's the official source to get Galacticraft from?
Galacticraft is not updated.
Yeah,
Well, I'm surprised you know about Galacticraft.
Jason, this man is like a ton of his con to Galacticraft. He actually has an add-on for it that he made himself.
Really?
And he's a recognized developer in the Galacticraft community.
Wow.
Yeah, all for a pretty bad, at least that's how I feel about it, add-on. I call it bad because it's empty as fuck.
Jason didn't get to see the Dr. Phillip and burning down the
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I saw that.
Okay, Tyler, I'm gonna do this.
Although,
What?
or I was gonna talk to Jason, but with Galacticraft, it is actually in the process of updating right now to 1.14, which then it will be able to update to 1.15 like after a little bit.
Okay, Tyler, just confirmed it.
Right.
It is your version of Outbox.
What?
I just confirmed it. It is your version of Outbox. I clicked it and I instantly got a stack of whatever.
You surprised? Again, I already told you what I think it could be.
I know that, but you know, I'd like to do it twice. And to verify it is and not just like some random alert that happened to your server and just died.
It's an error at line 180.
Okay, what mods would you most recommend?
For 1.15,
Yeah.
Like none of them. If you wanted to play actual mods,
there's a lot of good mods updated to 1.15, Colin.
I recommend 1.12 update, but okay.
1.15. Here, I'll show you a better website.
Okay. Send.
It's called CurseForge, but
Oh, okay. I've heard of that one.
that's the link. And you can sort from like Minecraft version. Don't.
Only the top quality source of Minecraft mods.
Yeah, it's Minecraft mods that include viruses, you know, all that fun stuff. And are grossly out of date. All the fun stuff.
Players supposed to use my Minecraft now.
Uh-huh. That's where the issue comes from.
Where?
It calls a method that only exists on the client side, hence the no such method error. So yeah, it's a fault on my end, but I don't feel like updating this right now. I say that because it's going to be a full process to update, and I also am working on an update for the other mods, so it's just easier to not update quite yet. So starting, and we'll be online here in just a second.
Hey Tyler, do you experience this every night? Your room is cold enough to keep you awake, but it's warm enough to not wear a blanket makes you sweat.
I mean, I have on occasion had that.
I hate when that happens.
What I do in that situation is keep the blanket off and then put it back on after a little bit. Or get a fan, wrap yourself in a blanket, the fan cools off the blanket, problem solved.
I'm gonna do what Brightside did, and I'm gonna duct tape a pair of jeans to a fan and have it plug.
Oh my fucking god, dude. Fucking ridiculous.
If you do that, I will have some very choice opinions about you from then on, but it's up to you. It's on.
Okay, time to try that again. Gotta be 100% sure.
I will make a fucking kill clock on. Don't test me. I will make a temporary kill clock until it's fixed.
Tyler, maintain once the server restarts.
Only reason why that happens is it calls a method that doesn't exist on the server side. It's the play tame effect. It's literally what controls the particle effects that show up.
Wow, so it's literally just a fancy particle effect that's killing your server.
Yes. It's the tame particle effects that are causing the issue.
That's hashtag cringe, bro.
No, it's hashtag retarded.
So tell them what to do if it's updated to 1.14 and didn't update to 1.15.
Well, I would fucking call them out and then be completely disappointed in them. Because the reason why they were going to go to 1.15 instead of 14 was specifically to like the entire reason behind that change was because 1.15 redid a large part of the rendering engine. Like all the rendering backend was updated, so that would be why. It would just piss me off, honestly.